Inane. Silly or meaningless. Example: his inane jokes didn't make anyone laugh. Amnesty. A decision to forgive or not punish someone. Example: the government granted amnesty to political prisoners. Envisage. To imagine something in the future. Example: I envisage a world where people live in peace. Substantiate. To prove something with evidence. Example: he couldn't substantiate his claims about the stolen money. Adversely. In a bad or harmful way. Example: smoking adversely affects your health. Quashed. To cancel or stop something. Example: the judge quashed the unfair law. Deprecate. To disapprove of something. Example: he deprecated the use of violent video games for kids. Paver. To cover a surface with material, like cement, or to prepare the way for something. Example: they paved the road with bricks. Antique. Something old and valuable. Example: she bought an antique clock from the market. Profligate. Wasteful with money and resources. Example: he lived a profligate life, spending money on luxury items. Insidious. Harmful but in a sneaky way. Example: the insidious disease spread without showing symptoms at first. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.